Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shamir Nicole. Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a holiday glam. I wanted to play in some glitter today, so I decided to take some silver glitter and I created this look for you guys. I would definitely say it's beginner friendly if you want to learn to kind of play in glitter a little bit and not have it like all over the place. This is definitely the look for you. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I do have new videos coming each week, so make sure you stick around for that. But we are going to jump right into this makeup tutorial and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay guys, so we're going to start this tutorial by me filling in my brows. I'm going to be using the brow pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be using my concealer by NARS. And I'm going to be setting all of that with my Kat Von D translucent powder. For eyeshadow palette today, I'm going to be using this palette by Pixi Beauty. You can pick it up at your local drugstore. I got mine from Target, and I'm going to be using the cool side today. I'm going to take this cool brown, this mauve, and this dark black. So I'm going to start in by applying it right into my crease. As you guys can see, I have hooded lids, so I have to be very careful with my color placement. And then I'm going to be blending this out. This look is very simple. I'm just going to be building up the color and blending it out as I go. So you're going to just see me applying a little bit of color. And then I'm just going to be blending it out until I get the color intensity that I'm looking for. And that's all I'm going to be doing, going back and forth between all of these colors. Next, I'm going to go in with that dark black and do the same exact thing. When you're using black, you don't want to go in too heavy-handed because it's harder to blend that color. So most of this eyeshadow look is me blending out this black so that I just didn't have the raccoon eye. So a little bit at a time and blending as I go. So now we're going to do the cut crease. Now, because my eyes are hooded, I have to do mine a particular way. And as you can see, I apply the glitter to my lid and I look up. Basically what that does is it gives me a guide so that I know where my cut crease needs to stop. I don't want it to go over the lid, but I want you to be able to see the glitter. So this is what I have to do. And that's a really good tip for any of you guys. Then I'm going to go in and set that concealer with a kind of like a white lavender color, and then right on top of that I'm going to take the Too Faced Glitter Insurance and use this. It's kind of like a glitter glue, and I'm going to apply the silver glitter directly on top of that glue. Now when you're working with glitter, you have to make sure you are patting it in place. If not, it's going to be everywhere. Then I'm going to go in with a little more of that black just to define the cut crease a little bit more. Next, I'm going in with the Inglot 77 Gel Liner, and I'm going to use this to line my eyes. This works really well for glitter, and I'm also going to wing it out just a little bit. Now, working with glitter, you will have some fallout, so I'm just going to remove that with a makeup wipe, and then I'm going to start with skin. I'm going to be using this CoverGirl matte foundation. I love this foundation, you guys. I'll have everything listed in the description box, and then I'm going to blend that into my skin. I like to wet my brushes when I do this step. It makes it easier for the product to move over the face. Next, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to be doing a highlight. As you can see, this is about 2 shades lighter than my natural skin tone. Then I'm going to take my Real Techniques blending sponge, and I'm going to use that to blend this out. And I'm making sure that I'm blending it out, but I'm also pressing the product into my skin and not moving it around in my face. And I noticed that when you really press the product in, it does not move.
Perfect.
Now to set all of this product on my face, I'm actually going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and as you can see, I applied it on top of that concealer, and then I'm going to go back and use a little bit of my yellow banana powder and apply that to the areas where I highlighted. And I noticed for me, it just makes it look a little more natural versus extremely highlighted. And I'm using a blush by MAC, and I'm using that to contour my face. I don't really like to use too much of a cream contour just because I don't want the heaviness, and I think it looks a little more natural when I use powder. So that's what I'm going to be using, and I'm applying that on my temples as well as my jawline. Then I'm taking some banana yellow powder, and I'm going to use that to kind of carve out that contour, and I am going to let that bake a little bit. These lashes are by Red Cherry, and I love them. I got them for like $5 in LA. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend out the rest of that highlight. Now we're going to move on to lips. I'm going to be lining my lips with the lip liner by MAC. My favorite is Cork. And then I'm going to go in with a oldie but goodie lipstick, and this is Peach Stock, also by MAC. This is like a must-have in your collection if you're looking for a nude. But like all nude lipsticks, you have to have a lip liner, and you have to make sure that you blend it out. I'm also going to be taking this lip gloss by Urban Decay. This is Midnight Cowgirl, and I'm using it as a lip topper. And I'm concentrating that in the center of my lip, and I'm blending it out as well. My favorite part, I'm going to set all of this makeup. Favorite part. And then while my face is still wet, I'm going to apply my Becca Highlighter. I'm actually using the lightest color in this palette, which I've never used before. But because this look is a little bit on the cool side, I wanted to give it that kind of iridescent, glittery look. And I love this highlighter shade. So I'm going to go ahead and complete the eye. I'm going to line my waterline and apply a little bit of mascara. And that is going to complete today's look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon.